Hello friends, good morning. Today we discuss about operators of the arithmetical operator of increment and decrement. Arithmetical operator of increment and decrement. Now increment and decrement operator. So what is the thing we need to discuss here? We will discuss here. So arithmetic operator is nothing. Arithmetic operator of increment and decrement is nothing but incrementing the value. So for an example, I am taking int a is equals to 10. Int a is equals to 10. So if I want to increase by 1, if I want to increase by 1 whenever I used in a program, so a plus plus, a plus plus, it will be increment by 1. A plus plus, it will be increment. So whenever we go for increment and decrement, so here we will go with increment of two ways. We can go with increment of two ways we can go, and the same thing, decrement of two ways we can go. So the first one is increment of pre-increment. Next one is increment of post-increment. INCR, I think. Okay. Next, same, pre-decrement. Next, post-decrement. We have a totally these type of scenarios we have in a arithmetical operator of increment and decrement. Okay, fine. So for an example, how it will be done whenever we go for a programmatical way, we will see now. So here we will take one program. We will discuss what exactly we can, what pre, what post, what pre, what post, we will discuss. Hash include stdio.h. Next, void main. We have a function. Inside main function, int a is equals to 20. A plus plus, next one is plus plus a. So what happened, these scenarios we will see. And next, printf percentile d of a to take, and then finally get ch semicolon, then close. Okay, so this is we have in a scenario. We will go with turbo C. What happened, we will go with a program. Here we need to take new file. We taken. In this new file, hash include stdio.h. Inside this file, we need to write void main. We have a function. After main function, we need to write declaration of one variable and initializing also. So after that, incrementation of post increment, incrementation of pre increment. Printf of percentile d, comma, percentile d, comma a, then get ch, close file, save as, file save as s4.c. So file, compile, compile, 0 warnings, 0 errors, run the program. So we will get an 12. So how it will be 12? So here the value is 10. After that it is an 11. So it means a plus plus indicates internally it will convert a is equals to a plus 1. A is equals to a plus 1. Nothing but what? Nothing but a is equals to 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 1. So total what? 11. So what about this line? Here a plus plus a plus plus a, nothing but a is equals to, this is also indicated as a plus 1 only, a plus 1 only. So what is the difference between these scenarios? We will see. So a is equals to 10 plus 1. This is also 11. But previously a value is what? 11. Previous statement 11 value 11. So that is the reason the total value is 12. The total value is 12. Okay. Like that we will get an output as a 12. Okay. So the same scenario we consider. Like that we can go. So where we can find out the difference between increment, nothing but increment of post and pre. So we will see. So here I am taking a is equals to 11. See 10. A is equals to 10. Here I am go with a plus plus. A plus plus. I am save this file and compile a program. We don't have any errors. Compile, sorry, run the program. So what is the value? 10 only. What is the value? 10. So here we need to clear the screen, then run again the program, because of we have a previous output also. So that is the reason we have this program. Run. So what is the value? 10. Okay, what is the value? 10. So here I will change post pre. So previously I go with a post, now it is a pre. So file, save, compile and compile. 0 warnings, 0 errors. Run the program. So we will get an 11. So see the difference. Whenever we go with an pre-increment, the output will be 11. Here the output will be 11. Yes. So the same thing apply here. Here printf percentile d of a plus plus a plus plus a plus plus. So what is an output here? The output is 10, but here the output will be 12. Here the output will be 12. So what is that? We will see how the output will become. We will see, and I will explain what happened in the save, compile, and compile, and run the program. 10 and 12. So output is the same, 10 and 12. Okay. So why it is 10 and how it will be 12? So it is an a post. What? Post increment. Post means I want to use the value. Whatever the value I have, 10 only I have a value. I have a only 10 is the a value. So that is I need to print. That is I need to print. Then after that printing after printing I can go for increment the value. A is equals to a plus 1, nothing but a is equals to 10 plus 1, so that is total 11. That is total is 11. So after printing it will go for increment, so that is the reason a value is 11. Here the output is what? Output is 12. What is what type of thing we used? Pre-increment, nothing but before going to print, before going to print, utilize that value, use that value. Not only for print, we can go for any operation. Not only go for print, we'll go for any operation like addition, subtraction, whatever thing you can do. So before you need to do that increment, a is equals to a plus 1, we need to do nothing but a is equals to, what is the previous value? 11 plus 1, nothing but total is 12. Total is 12. Like that we can get it the value. Then print, use after that print. Okay, so this is the way we can use. So this is the way. This is the way we can use this pre-increment. So okay, and we have another scenario. We will see printf of percentile d comma again percentile d comma again percentile d. How many outputs I want to go for print? 3 outputs I want to go for print. 3 outputs I want to go for print. For example, a plus plus comma plus plus a comma minus minus a. This is a same thing like in a how we go for increment, the same way we need to go for decrement also. Okay, then what is an output we can get it? Generally most of the people expect this output. So previously the a value is 12, the previous step the output is 12. So here post increment, so that is the reason they expect like an 12. They expect like an 12 is an output, comma then increment. So what is here? Print the value. After printing we need to go for increment. That is nothing but post. I am using the 12 value, whatever the last statement value I have, so I need to print. Then after that I need to go for increment. So incremented value I will put in a bracket. So after that what is the next one? A plus plus a, nothing but pre-increment. Pre is nothing but what? increment before going to print. Nothing but what is the last occurrences value of A? 13 is the last occurrences value. So I will use that 13 and increment. Will use that 13 and increment. Nothing but 14 I can get it, I can print. 14 I can get it, I can print. After that, pre-decrement I have. Pre-decrement. Before going to print or do the operation, you need to go for what? You need to go for decrement and use or whatever the thing you want to do. So for example, pre-decrement, nothing but what is the last occurrences value? 14 is an ask. Now it will be converted into 13. So most of the people expect this output as, but what type of output we will get, we will see. Okay. So what is an exact output? 12, 14 and 13 is an output. Okay. Fine. So but here we are not get that output, we will get some other type of output, we will see. Compile with 0 1 and 0 errors, run the program. So we need to go for clear screen. Yeah, already we done clear screen only. Again I go for run the program. So what is 10, 12, 12, 12, 11? So what is an output? So previously here we go for output as a 10 and 12. Okay, fine. So after that what I am getting? 10, 12, 10, 12. Our output is, our expectation output is 10, 12, 12, 14, 13. Okay. But what happened we will see. What is an output here? 10, 12, 12, 12, what? 11. Okay. But output is not matching. So for that case, whenever we go for multiple or equational type operators are implemented in the equation. Operators are implemented in equation, or multiple printing. Nothing but this statement we call it as multiple printing. Multiple printing. At that time we need to follow operator precedency. So we have an operator precedency, have a left to right and right to left. The scenario we have right to left. So in the last we can do what happened? Left to right we can do. Left to right we did like 12, 14, 13. This is nothing but left to right. Now we can come up with an right to left. What happened we will see. So here 10, 12, 10 and 12. So what is the last occurrences value? 12 only. So what is the statement we consider? Right to left, minus a. Minus a we need to consider. Nothing but pre-decrement. Whatever the value we have, that value we taken and did the decrement. Nothing but if you did the decrement, we can get output as 11. Then comma. Next one what? Pre-increment. So pre-increment is nothing but last occurrences value of A is what? 11. So this is the 11 we are getting a last occurrences value. So 11 of increment. Pre means increment the value. Nothing but it will be converted as a 12. Will be converted as 12. So what is the thing we can get it? 11 and 12. Next one is what? Next one is post increment. Post means what? Use that value and go for increment. Nothing but print or use the value and go for it. I need to go for use. What is the last occurrences value? Is 12. So here output will be 12. Then After that, it will be a value as a converted as a 13. A value converted as a 13. Okay. A value converted as a 13. So if you print normal a in another step, in next step you can print like this: printf printf sorry printf of percentile d of a. If you just print a, what happened we will see. Already we did escape sequences, so slash n, nothing but we can get it a new line representation. This is also we required in slash n, these are not required in slash n. After that we required in slash n. So finally what happened we will see. So our now the operator presidency right to left we consider. In previous we didn't consider anything, it will go with an a left to right. In generally the program will execute left to right, it will be execute. So now what happened we will see. So now our expecting output is right to left presidency. So we will get 10, 12, 11, 12 and 12. After that it will be print 13 because of last occurrences of a is the 13. So that is the reason it will be print 13. So now we can get output as the exact output. Output will be correct. In previous we are not matching our output, now it will be matched because of whenever we go with an operator presidency, it will having an a right to left because of multiple times we use that operators in a single statement. In single statement we use multiple times, so the same thing. So this is a scenario we can use increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. So this is a concept today we completed, and next we complete in the next session assignment operator as well as relational operator in the next session. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. If you have any doubts and if you have any complexity to understand, please comment below. I will give another way of explanation to get a good knowledge. Thank you, have a nice day. If you are interested in my videos, please subscribe my channel, follow and share and comment and like it.